Good morning, everyone. So, if you've been a member or been in the Perfect Entry Discord for the last few months, you've probably seen us throw around the term Sedor method. Well, recently I've also been throwing around that I've been using with basic support and resistance, and that I'm using the indicators themselves to draw that support and resistance. So, we're just going to do a very short video about how I'm doing that and why I'm doing that. So on my chart you can see I've got the standard Sedor method layout on the chart. You can see there's some hand drawing and some trades that have been taking, but nothing wild. First things first, how do you use the Sedor method? Well, if you click the first link in the description, you'll be able to just get access to the PDF. It's going to have all the settings you need to handle the Sedor method. If you need access to the indicators, which these are paid indicators, then that'll be the second link in the description. So you can see that I've got my chart set up as per the Sedor method in the description below. I also have the chaos channel on baseline overlay turned on. If I quickly go to here, you can see I have show levels as fractal chaos channel, and then in the style tab I have top chaos channel and bottom chaos channel turned on. How am I using them? It's really straightforward. All that happens is on the same time frame as the one we're trading, so I'm trading on the 1 hour time frame, which means on the 1 hour I look for where there is consistent lines thrown, and that's how I draw my zone. So in this case I've drawn it from this candle and to this one, this line, these lines, and this one. And you can see here that I've also drawn it off this one, just to make some solid bounds. Normally on a conventional Forex pair they're going to be sort of 10 to 15 pips maximum. On something like gold they're obviously going to be a little bit wider because of the volatility, and if I was to go to something like NAS or BTC you're going to find they're going to get wider still. Again, just owing to the volatility. Again, you can see that in this case I plotted it from this red line to this red line. I've plotted this one based off of these lines. This one comes from this red line to this green line, this green line to this green line, keeping them nice and tight. The idea is that you want them to be as small as possible, and then you can use them for break and retests. What do I mean by break and retest? When it comes to break and retesting, you're going to get 3 standard patterns forming. Either it's going to tap a zone, bounce off, and then go through. You'll have it where it breaks through, it pulls back and goes through, which is what this one here is. Or you'll have a conventional break and retest where you go all the way through, you'll just come up into the zone and then continue. How do you use that with the Sedor method? What you can do is you wait for when you get a breakthrough. So star first, then when you have a sell signal, when you break through that first zone, you take from that zone to the next one. When you then get the next one, sell signal, you wait for the break and retest and you take it to the next one. You do not take a second break and retest. So for instance, this candle broke through, this one retested. We don't take seconds, we only take the first one. Also, if you're right up near a zone, so for instance this one has break and on the retest we got our signal, that is also cause for a trade. Similarly over here we've had our break and kind of a little retest, and that's what gave me my entry to take up to here. If you have any questions on that, do let me know in the Discord, link will be in the description below. Other than that, I will see you around, and thank you all for watching.